Tashae, back with another video. Okay, so look, as you seen from the title, I will be doing a product review. It looks like this. Okay, so ready to try this product. When I tell y'all it's natural hair approved, like Suave has really stepped up their game, you guys. But they really have now finally catered to natural hair, and I really appreciate that, because I feel like before their products really wasn't, you know, moisturizing my hair like it was supposed to. My hair wasn't absorbing the product like it should. And y'all, ooh, I want it to slip out. It smells amazing. It definitely smells like coconut oil and shea butter, literally. So we're gonna go ahead and get this hair washed, okay? Because I would look a mess, and that was the point of me being on this video, was to look a mess, so I can show y'all how I just came back bad and better, okay?
Get with the program, point blank, period. I'm not doing this, the fuck? The fuck? The fuck? Y'all really thought.
Okay, back and I'm better, poo. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Before I apply my conditioner, I also used my Aussie Miracle Moist Avocado and Jojoba Oil shampoo, which was amazing for my hair. So I will insert a picture of that so you guys can know how that looks. So the next step is to put on a simple plastic cap. I usually leave my deep conditioner in for about 30 to 45 minutes, but I usually don't go over 30, so I'll come back when it's done, you guys. This is how my hair looks before I rinse out the conditioner. My curls definitely look more defined. It looks shiny. It looks moisturized. Don't mind my frizziness. I just don't know why I have it. It's horrible. But you guys, look at that after effect though. Like, my hair looks very moisturized once it's rinsed out. Like, I love it. It made my hair very soft. Like, I have to give Suave their props. They did their thing on this, and I definitely will buy another one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, please, please, please. And also, the most important thing, don't forget to click that bell every time I get a video uploaded. Bye.